Happy New Year, guys. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. So I just got my January Boodle box. In case you forgot what a Boodle box is, it's a box you get monthly, and it has all kinds of surprises in it, so you have no idea what's in them. So I'm just going to open mine.
Go.
Ooh, bling in the new year. Happy New Year. Enjoy these goodies to start your year off with some sparkle. Now that sounds exciting. Let's see. Ooh. I got a beautiful diary. That's really cool. Locking diary is a cool gem lock. Now that's really exciting. I got some cool glitter gel pens so I can write my diary. And then I got some very sparkly, I got a very sparkly headband. Look at that. Now that's really, really exciting. These are like certain tattoos that you put like on your body. Ooh, I got some beautiful hand sanitizer, Dazzling Diamond. Okay, that smells good. Ooh, and it has a holder so you can put it in my backpack. Now that's really cool. And then, I got some beautiful. This is very cool. Like little sparkles, little beads in there. That's cool. And then, let's see, do I have anything else? Nope. Well, I'll see you guys next week. I'll see you guys next month. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.